Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 12, 1919. How the earth is image of one who does not live in the divine will. Continuing in my poor state, my sweet Jesus came for just a little, and clasping me all to his most holy heart, told me,
"My daughter, if the earth were not movable and mountainous, but fixed and all one plane, it would enjoy more the benefit of the sun. For the whole earth it would be always midday, the heat equal at all points, therefore it would produce more fruit. But because it is movable and formed of heights and of depths, it does not receive the light and the heat of the sun equally, and now one point remains in the dark, now another. Other points receive little of the light of the sun. Many lands become sterile because the mountains with their height prevent the light and the heat of the sun from penetrating into their depths. And how many more inconveniences. Now, my daughter, I tell you that the earth is image of one who does not live in my will. The human acts render her movable. Weaknesses, passions, defects form the mountains, the sunken places in which dens of vices are formed. So their movability causes darkness and cold for them. And if they enjoy a little bit of light, it is at intervals, because the mounts of their passions come up against this light. How much misery for one who does not live in my will. On the other hand, for one who lives in my volition, my will renders her fixed and levels all the mountains of the passions in such a way as to render her all one plane, and the sun of my volition darts through her as it wants, and there is no receptacle in which its light does not shine. What is the wonder if the soul becomes holier in one day lived in my will than in 100 years outside of my will?